Watch as we puff air into the tube to inflate the glass. Hello everyone, welcome to the Fusing Shop. My name is Sim and I will be showing you how to blow a glass bubble today. It's actually amazing, after 100 videos I have never done one with showing how to blow a glass bubble. So today we're going to change all that, and I have a blank already here with the end closed down. If you do not have the end closed, please make sure you use an earplug to protect your hand from that heat flying up the tube and potentially burning you. So I already have the tube closed down, and what I'm going to do is switch to a little bit of a bushier flame, because I'm going to heat up about 2 inches of glass to make the size bubble that I want. And we're not going to be making anything with the bubble. I'm just giving you the step-by-step on how to blow a nice even bubble. And that means even wall thicknesses and not too thin. One of the keys to making a good bubble is to keep your glass as steady in the flame as you can. This is what you do not want to do with the glass bouncing up and down in and out of the flame. That will give you an uneven heat, and when you go to blow it, your glass is going to puff out all uneven. What you do want to do is exactly what I'm showing here, which is keep that glass nice and steady in the flame. This actually looks really awesome. Looks like a fiery hand coming out towards the camera. So I love this camera angle. Comment below if you also love the way that looks. So just continue to rotate the glass. You can see glass is starting to gather up on the end, and we're getting closer to where we can actually puff the glass out. You want to make sure it's melted enough that it will move when you go to puff it. Here we go. Wait a couple seconds after you come out of the flame, and I puff and spin and puff and spin. You can see how that glass is still a little bit thick on the end. That's no problem. You want to watch the glass as you inflate it, and using a blow hose is way easier because you can keep the glass in front of you instead of in front of your face like I'm doing here. But I want to show you guys that you don't need the blow hose to blow a nice even bubble. And you can see how nice and smooth that came out. Looks beautiful, and that's what you're shooting for, a nice even bubble that's blown out evenly in all directions and still keeps the same wall thickness as the rest of your piece. If your bubble's too thin, and the glass will let you know it's unhappy by happily cracking on you. So you want to avoid doing that and just keep your moves slow and consistent. It's okay to go ahead and reheat, and if your bubble looks all wonky and off center, put it back in the fire, condense it back down, and puff it out again. There's nothing wrong with starting over and trying again. Before we end the video, let's do our dad joke, and it is, why did the pony ask for a glass of water? Because it was a little horse. Alright everyone, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out some of our other awesome glass blowing videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.